Ok, vamos aqui no Best Buy. Perguntei no Brasil quanto tempo leva para comprar uma geladeira. Aí me falaram que leva mais ou menos 1 hora. Então eu tô chegando aqui nessa loja e vamos ver quanto tempo eu levo para comprar uma geladeirinha. Depois que a gente entrar por essa porta aqui, vamos ver como é que fica. Vamos lá. Hey, how are you? Ok, vamos ver aqui. Eu sei onde estão as geladeiras.
Perfect.
E vamos ver quanto tempo nós leva para comprar uma. Eu quero uma simples, que vai ser essa daqui. É uma Samsung e está por 1.200 doletas. Vamos ver se eu acho um camarada aqui. E vamos ver quanto tempo leva para comprar essa geladeira. Acho que vai demorar mais para achar alguém para vender a geladeira para mim do que comprar a geladeira em si. Vamos ver aqui. Ela. Vamos ver. E ela está ocupada lá. Vamos ver aqui. Vamos ver. Vamos ver. Tem um cara lá, mas eu não sei se ele vai ajudar. Ok. Ali. É um cara lá. Vamos ver como é que fica. Good. Can you help me on a fridge?
Yeah, give me 1 second.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
be right over.
I'll be there. Thank you. Alright. Vamos ver aqui. Já achei o camarada. E é essa daqui, mas essa aqui ela é escura. Eu quero uma aço inox. Assim. Vamos ver. Vamos ver se o cara vem. Já estamos a quase 3 minutos. O cara tá ocupado. Tá lá pensando. E vamos ver aqui. There you go.
What were you looking for today?
I want this one here, but on stainless steel. This one here.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, let me grab one of my associates for you that has
All
access
right.
to ordering.
Okay.
Did you need any like installation
No.
services or anything like that?
No, I just need them to deliver.
Just deliver. Okay.
Uh-huh.
And do you need anything hauled away?
No.
Just delivering. All right.
Yes.
Perfect. So that model is
Okay,
stainless.
I'll be here.
Give me just a minute.
Yes,
Thank
sir. Thank you.
I'll grab Lily. So I'm gonna get my associate.
Yes,
We'll
sir.
get you all freed up.
Thank you. Vamos ver. Aham. Vamos ver aqui a geladeirinha. Já estamos em quase 4 minutos. E essa aqui, ó. Aqui o freezer. Dispensa gelo, água. E esse lado aqui. Algo simples. Nada fancy, assim digamos. E dá pra ver a cor da minha camisa lá, ó. Ó, a cor do tênis também. Não fala nada da cor do tênis, hein? Vou chamar de vagalume não. Então, vamos ver. Eu achei que ficaria antes de 5 minutinhos, mas aparentemente vai levar mais. Mas aqui a gente espera. Ó, aqui tem outra. Olha isso. Fala tudo aí. Samsung. Vamos ver. E o camarada lá esperando. Vários modelos, tipos, preços. vendo? Todo tipo, esse é 1.600, essa Whirlpool por 1.600, a GE por 1.600 e pouco, fogões, micro-ondas, tem de tudo aqui, eletrônicos. E vamos ver, aqui a gente continua esperando. Mas é isso aí, vamos esperar. Enquanto isso, aqui ó, GoPro 7, são os preços.
Lily's going to get you all taken care of. She's just ringing up her other customer right
All right.
now. And
That
then she'll
little
be-
blonde girl
Yep,
there?
yep,
Awesome.
yep.
All right.
So
Thank you, sir.
I'll let her know you're looking for the model in the stainless steel.
All right.
She'll get the order and delivery all set up.
All
for you.
right. Thank you.
Yep.
Ok, agora a gente espera a morceguinha lá vir. E o cara lá tá bravo já. Tá bravo com alguém lá. Mas vamos ver. E eu acho que aquela morceguinha ali é que vai ajudar. Mas vamos ver. Actually, not a freezer. It is this one here.
Of course.
All right, but it's stainless steel.
In stainless steel,
Yes.
yes. And we are doing the delivery as
Yes.
well. Yep.
Do I have any charge for that?
No, it's free
No.
delivery.
All right. Awesome. All right. I think it's cheaper the stainless steel, isn't it?
We're actually gonna go to computers.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, stainless steel tends to be a lot cheaper
All right.
than just black.
Awesome.
So I always go stainless.
Mm-hmm.
JOSAM 2113 at Gmail. And your address? My address is 14290.
So, do you want me to try the Pioneer one first?
Yes.
Marco,
Yeah, that's me.
from that.
Right. And I want to pay with a card.
With card?
Put on the
Yeah.
payment plan.
So let's go ahead and get this ordered for you.
Mhm.
Did you want to add a protection plan to
No.
this? Okay. Do you want us to install it for you?
No.
Do you need us to haul away?
No.
Okay.
You're looking at the license plate active camera.
So the soonest availability I have is Friday the 10th,
Mm-hmm. All
which
right.
is this Friday.
That will work.
All right, we have a 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. or a 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. They will call you an hour ahead of time.
Okay. The afternoon.
Afternoon?
Afternoon.
Do you remember?
That's in a payment plan, right?
Yes.
All right.
I'm just printing out a few things for you
Mhm.
so that we can have.
So let's say we have a couple that are cheaper. One called the EcoMaster backup, license plate backup camera.
All right.
Alrighty.
Okay, so.
Okay, what is that? $29.99?
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought Steve went over with this with you. So it is a requirement. It's the water hose for the fridge. I could void that out, but it's going to interfere with your factory warranty.
Okay, because he didn't mention anything like that.
So let's modify this.
It doesn't come with it?
It does. You just have to pay for it. It's $29.99.
Why they didn't mention it?
He could have been caught up in the moment, but yeah, so any appliance you would ever have to buy, you would need the hose. So like if you have a washer and dryer, you would need like the vent kit, you would need the...
They come with it. I just
comes
purchased
with it,
two
but
for
you would
my
buy it.
son. No, they just gave it to us. And not only the hose, but that little tube for the dryer. They gave me. They actually even asked me how long you need. 3, 4, 5 feet? No, 4 feet.
Was it through us?
No, another company. So we don't have to pay. You are selling it, but we don't have to buy it
Yeah, so I can void
because
this out
it
for you.
is supposed to come with.
Well, if I void this out, it's not going to come with the hose. I could try to price match it to lower the price for you.
Yeah. What you can do?
Which one would you prefer?
Let me see if I can see if...
It's all right. It's all right. I'll just.
Well, he could give you more
No,
options.
it's all right. Just take it.
Okay. Do you want me to take it off for you?
No, just leave it.
Okay.
The one that I have at home won't work on that.
What fridge do you have?
It's another brand.
It may work. If it does, you can return the hose that you're buying right now. You can return that for the full price.
All
if
right.
this one works, yeah.
All right.
Okay, so it's gonna ask. So this right here, and the delivery is free. So I'm gonna void this out for you.
So like schedule.
And what am I signing here for?
This is the scope of work, which is
I'm not paying for delivery, am I?
no delivery
right.
is free.
All
Yeah.
right.
Yeah. So it's just this right here. So it's, and we're not installing it, so it doesn't apply to you, but it still requires that signature. It's what you need to know, so the delivery, the service terms, all of that. Did you want to read it over real quick?
That's all right.
What is the year of your vehicle?
I just don't want to be charged for something that they said that I signed for.
Oh no, we wouldn't do that.
Because you already charged me for the hose that is supposed to come with.
I'll set up the parts to be ordered, so they arrive on the 9th when you come pick up your stuff, or when you come get that done.
All right.
So it's gonna be $1,129.98. You said you're paying with the Best Buy credit card?
Yes.
Do you have it with you, or do you? Because I just need ID if you don't have it.
Oh yeah, it's one of those, isn't it?
JVC deck for $99, right?
It would be this one.
All right.
Yeah.
There you go.
So, let's go ahead and just slide it there.
Aerostar, Aspire,
And then I just need to see the last 4 digits of it. Thank you.
Crown Victoria, B150,
Is that for you?
Thank
Number
you.
again was
It's gonna ask how you would like to pay it off.
So like trim, does that just stop?
All right. So they will text me or call me before they arrive?
Yes, they
All
will
right.
keep you updated and everything.
All
and
right.
my name is Lily. Was there anything else I can
No,
help you
that will be it. Thank you much. All right. Thank you. All right. Total da compra foi R$1.099 com R$29,99 de uma mangueira que eu reclamei que eles estão me cobrando, mas quando eu receber a geladeira em casa, que vai ser essa daqui, mas em stainless steel, como essa daqui, aí eu pego a mangueirinha lá e devolvo, eles me devolvem o dinheiro. Mas é isso aí, menos de 10 minutos e a compra foi feita. É isso aí. Vamos ver como é que fica depois que eles entregarem a geladeirinha. É isso aí. Fui.